me up somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
So I'm gonna pick me out some annuals for my flower display for 2022.
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way.
So this is one of my most favorite days to come and see all the color, okay? So the lawn is amazing, but to have all this color in your landscape is huge. So with perennials, you don't get this vibrant color like this. You'll get short spurts of awesome color with perennials, but nothing vibrant like this. So these all come from Olson's greenhouse right here. This place is an awesome greenhouse that I've showed you. I've been down to their place. We have taken videos inside their greenhouse, showed you how they plant these annuals and how they make them. So this drop-in deck right here, awesome. You take them out of the pot, you put them in your planter, and you're good to go. It's all done and ready for you at a pretty decent, good price as well. So some of my favorite plants are just the plain Jane petunias. So I love when they bush out and get really big and trail down the pots. I freaking love petunias. These right here, these lilies, I mean, look at that. That is so impressive. The most impressive thing in this whole store is this right here, okay? Dahlia. It's just amazing. I mean, you cannot beat a dahlia. Every time, look at it, it's amazing. Big flower, awesome color, big blooms. So take a look at this pot. Big, huge pot, lots of soil mass. This is gonna give you a nice, awesome spread that's gonna hang down with the creeping Jenny, with these petunias that hang down. These are likely proven winners. Amazing looking baskets. You buy this basket and you just put it out and it's done. You see these hearts, these pink hearts right here inside each petal right there, pink hearts. Got the alyssum to mix in with the petunias. Got the lobelia here. So see this right here? This is what? A sedum sunshine sizzle mix. You plant this could turn into multiply 3, 4, 20, 100 times easily. So if you're looking for some way to fill up a whole bed, this would do it. Very cool feel, but it will take over everything. So these are delphinium. They grow up really tall and have like a whole stalk of flowers. Amazing delphiniums, awesome, love them. So look at this color, it's awesome. This will transform your garden instantly. You just put this up and it's done. Just all this color immediately. Verbena, these things are amazing. Put these in a hanging basket. You've got these little flowers, awesome leaves. Verbena, beautiful flower. Look at that little thing right there. Oh my gosh, it just continues to go on and on and on. More of the same. Look, dahlias again, okay? Dahlias, amazing dahlias. These are marigolds, but just like a multicolored marigold. I'm down on that. If you've got a high shade area, these impatiens grow really well in the shade. We got all different colors of impatiens there. This I want. Just instantly add color, and that's gonna be a lot of work. So I'm just at Home Depot here and I see this thing. It says Gibbons right here. And it has a little mark. It's in the concrete or the asphalt right here. I'm pretty sure this is a survey marker. It could show the section, the corner of the section. If you know anything about surveys and sections and stuff like that, I think this is a survey marker. It's right in the parking lot, which is kind of weird. Interesting, when you just open your eyes, you see different things, you know what I mean? That's pretty. That looks like alyssum too. Yeah, just a different color of alyssum. So if you're gonna go big like this with your annuals, you gotta have a fertilizer game going on. You gotta get your fertilizer game on point. I'm telling you, if you're gonna do this, you gotta have a good fertilizer game. What an amazing opportunity. I love Home Depot. Love all the color. I love Olson's greenhouse.
And you know what's really awesome?
What?
and I'm not trying to do the same thing, but the best thing is this year we decided to go simple. There's so much planting and stuff involved that we bought a ton of stuff like this, that in the flower boxes, it's just gonna get put in. It's done. I don't have to plant this.
So
I
the
don't have to buy
dine and
soil.
dash.
Yeah.
Or the drop and decorate.
So we bought tons of this stuff this year. So honestly, once we go home and put it all in, it's not gonna be that much work. It's just not gonna be that much work. It's gonna be great.
We're doing a lot more of dropping and decorating, and that's the genius idea of the whole deal, is you just drop it and decorate it. I call them the dine and dash because it's just simple, easy, and quick. So I love the summertime. It is the best time of the year. You get all the color, you get to be outside, you get to mow the lawn, you get to be in the gardens. It's so much fun. So all I'm saying is go to your local nursery, buy annuals, okay? You won't regret it. But you gotta feed them. If you're gonna buy annuals, you gotta be committed to feed them. So I think that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate you guys. Thanks again for watching. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be doing this. Oh, actually, I would be doing this. I just wouldn't be filming it. I'm always gonna be doing this. I love being outside in the garden. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next one. What are you excited about? What are you excited about?
It's all great. I can't do camera, Connor. You know this.
I know, but I need to know what you're excited about.
I'm excited for all the color in our yard. We're putting the jewelry on the house. We're buying necklaces, we're buying diamonds, we're buying earrings. Okay.
You like?
I love it. I like the height on it.
Height.
Yeah.
Height.
Yeah.
Not height.
Okay.
No TH.
Okay, Mr. Spelling Bee.